Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play split screen on Fall Guys. Alright, so let's begin. If you guys haven't been keeping up with Fall Guys recently, they have finally added the ability to do split screen in the game. It's been a requested feature for a very long time and it's finally here. However, it is kind of weird how it works and it can be a bit buggy, so there is a chance this isn't fully intentional, but it does work. What you're going to want to do, especially if you're on console, which most of you probably are for split screen, is first make sure you have both accounts linked to specific controllers. You're going to need 2 accounts for this, and you need to set it so that when you turn on a controller, it automatically signs into that account. Xbox has a feature like this and PlayStation does as well. I'm not completely sure about Nintendo Switch, so you may need to experiment there. Once you have both accounts linked to the controllers, load into the game with only one account signed in and just that controller turned on. After you're in the game, wait about 4 minutes. As you start loading into a match in Fall Guys, turn on the second controller. It should automatically sign in the second account and give you the ability to play in split screen. Again, I'm not sure if this is fully intentional from the Fall Guys developers, but it has been working for me and my friends recently. And that's it. This is how you can play split screen on Fall Guys. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.